Hi, my name is Adam Aarons, a senior consultant with Experts as a Service at Analysis Prime. Today I want to talk about the new Gantt chart enhancements within SAC for the latest release. So we're going to look at the display management of task dependencies within the Gantt chart and how those changes affect productivity. So you can now draw new dependency lines between events via drag and drop in Gantt charts. So this is an improvement on task process visualization. You can quickly model new dependencies within calendar tasks, and the drag and drop functionality makes it easier on users. So let's take a look at this in SAC. So in SAC, I'm in, in the calendar view, and I've created a short little closing process here for a month-end close. And what you can do inside here now is for this task, bookstore allocations are now dependent upon the status is successful. So this bookstore allocation won't run unless the actuals are brought in. Right? And I can do the same thing for the next data action as well. So the bookstore summary, which won't summarize my data, and I can say the same thing. When it is successful, I would like to have that data action run. And you can modify these as well, just by clicking on them and changing the way they work, and you can also remove those dependencies as well. This is a much simpler way to create dependencies within tasks and to link and manage how tasks are run within a process in SAC's calendar. So just to review, there is now a new ability within the Gantt chart to drag and drop. And this visual interface makes planning much more streamlined. And it should be a very great enhancement for calendar users. Thank you for your time.